Hey, what is up YouTube? Lando Tech here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove unwanted pre-installed apps from your Fire TV. As you can see, if we click on this app, we have the ability to uninstall it. But if we click on one of the Amazon pre-installed apps, the uninstall option is not there. But no worries, I'll show you exactly what to do to uninstall these types of apps. And the only thing I ask in return is for you to like this video and subscribe so you can see more content like this. To start, we'll first need to turn on dev mode so that we can sideload apps. To do that, go to the last icon on the right side. Then, move down and select My Fire TV. Click About. Then, click your Fire TV stick name 7 times until it says, "You are already a developer." Now, press the Home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, move over to the Find tab. Then, go down to the App Store and click it. Next, go down and over to the Search tab and search for Downloader. Click it, then click Download. This app is used to load apps that aren't available in the regular Amazon App Store. The app that we'll be sideloading is called My Explorer. This allows us to remove apps that Amazon prevents us from removing. Now, I'm always a little bit apprehensive about sideloading third-party apps because I never know what the app can see and what it can't see. That's why I always use a VPN whenever I'm using sideloaded apps. If you don't already have a VPN, you can visit nordvpn.com/landotech to get 4 months of NordVPN for free. Once you've logged into your VPN, go ahead and open up the Downloader app. Click Allow. Then click OK. In the search box, type the following code: 7922988 and click Go. Your download will begin. When the download is complete, click Settings. Click Install Unknown Apps. Click Downloader to turn it on. Click Back. Back again. Now, click Install, and install again. When the installation is complete, click Done. Click Delete, and delete again. Press the Home button. Go to the 3 squares on the far right-hand side and click it to open your app list. Now, look for the My Explorer app and click it. Click Allow, then click Agree. Click the option that says Apps on the left-hand side. This gives you a full list of all the apps on your Fire TV, including the pre-installed ones. To delete a pre-installed app, like Amazon Music, first navigate to it, then long press the Select button on your remote. Next, press the Settings button on the Amazon remote. That's the button with the 3 lines on the right-hand side. Then, scroll down and click Uninstall. If we go to the home screen, we see that the Amazon Music app that should be there is not there. So the uninstallation was successful. However, this app might still return if Amazon pushes an update for the app. To block any updates, follow these steps. Go back to the Download app, go to the address bar, and type the following code: 6002893. Then click Go. Follow the steps to install the app. Click Done. Delete the install files. Then go to your list of apps on the Fire TV. Look for the NetGuard app and open it. Once NetGuard is open, click the Settings button on your Amazon remote. Then, click Settings from the drop-down menu. Click Advanced Options. Then, turn on Manage Systems app. Now, press Back. Then, scroll down and look for the app that you just uninstalled. Once you found the app, click the Wi-Fi icon beside it. Then, click the internet connection icon beside it. This prevents the app from connecting to the internet and re-downloading or updating. Now, if you really want to take your Fire TV minimalist journey to the next level, then watch this video right here to learn how to remove ads on your Fire TV.